When you're looking for a nail stamping polish, I think number one, you're looking for a polish that has clean, sharp lines for image pickup. You know, many of the designs that are on the nail stamping plate are very intricate, and you want to be able to pick up all of those little fine details. Two, vivid pigmentation. Image that transfers clearly in one stamp. You don't want to re-stamp the color over and over again, especially when there's products out there such as stamping polish that could really do that job. Three, fast drying capacity. You know, you want something that's quick drying, especially if you're going to be doing like a layered design, something like this. And price. For some people, that definitely might be a factor. You know, how much is the price of the product that you're using? So going back over, I was talking about clarity is important, opacity is important, the fact that it's quick drying, and then price. You know, those I think are some pretty important factors.